Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, how many token burn is needed for Arbitrum to reach $100? Well, in this video we are going to find out. Let's start the video. So, how many token burn is needed for Arbitrum to reach $100? Calculation based on current market supply. If supply change in future, then calculation may change. And information is taken from CoinMarketCap. If we comes to its total supply was 10 billion. Current supply was 1.2 billion. Trading with $1.21. Current market cap is 1.5 billion. All-time high price of Arbitrum token was $11. And its all-time high market cap was 1.9 billion. If Arbitrum token reach $100, with its current supply of 1.2 billion, then its market cap will be 120 billion. Which is impossible for Arbitrum to reach $100 with its current supply. So how many token burn is needed for Arbitrum to reach $100? Let's say Arbitrum had reduces the supply to 1 billion, so if Arbitrum reaches $100, then its market cap will be 100 billion. So to reach $100 with 1 billion supply is not possible. So, let's say Arbitrum had reduces the supply to 850 million, so if Arbitrum reaches $100, then its market cap will be 85 billion. So to reach $100 with 850 million supply, which is also not possible. Let's say Arbitrum had reduces the supply to 650 million, so if Arbitrum reaches $100, then its market cap will be 65 billion. So to reach $100 with 650 million supply is also not possible. Let's say Arbitrum had reduces the supply to 450 million, so if Arbitrum reaches $100, then its market cap will be 45 billion. As average market cap of top altcoins was 40 to 60 billion. So to reach $100 Arbitrum token need to have 450 million market supply roughly. As average market cap of altcoins is 40 to 60 billion, so Arbitrum can reach market cap of 45 billion by 450 million supply. So, for Arbitrum to reach $100 it must burn 750 million, which is 62.5% of its total supply, which is somewhat hard to be possible, but it will be possible when they introduce auto burn mechanism, as to reduce supply from 1.2 billion to 459 million is a big problem, so this will not happen by manual burns. There is to introduce auto burn mechanism, buyback, big huge burns. So, let me know in the comment section that can Arbitrum reach $100 in next 5 years?